In rotating equipment, corrosion is not just surface damage, it is a failure trigger. Erosion, cavitation, SCC, HIC, and SSC are among the most dangerous degradation mechanisms in pumps and compressors. Recognizing them early prevents catastrophic failure. Why corrosion in rotating equipment matters. Corrosion is the #1 driver of turbomachinery deterioration. It leads to unplanned shutdowns, safety incidents, high maintenance cost, reduced asset life. Understanding corrosion modes allows targeted prevention, not reactive repair. Erosion-Corrosion, mechanical plus chemical attack mechanism. High-velocity fluid or abrasive particles remove protective oxide layers. Common environments: slurry pumps, wet gas with sand, steam with particulates. Visual signs: smooth, worn surfaces. Directional flow patterns: thinning near bends and impeller edges. Trigger: velocity in solids. Cavitation, corrosion, vapor bubble collapse mechanism. Low pressure causes vapor bubbles to form. These bubbles collapse violently on metal surfaces. Damage pattern: irregular pitting. Sponge-like rough surface. Noise and vibration during operation. High-risk locations: pump impellers, turbine blades, valve seats. Trigger: low NPSH and pressure fluctuations. Stress corrosion cracking. 3 required elements: susceptible alloy, tensile stress, specific corrosive environment. Chlorides are common trigger in stainless steel. Cracks initiate at pits and propagate. Visual signs: fine branched cracks, brittle fracture, no plastic deformation. Common in steam turbine rotors, compressor blades, high tensile zones. Trigger: stress plus chloride. Hydrogen-induced cracking, HIC, and sulfide stress cracking, SSC. Both involve hydrogen, but mechanisms differ. HIC, hydrogen diffuses into metal, forms internal blisters, creates subsurface cracks. No external tensile stress required. Common in wet, sour environments. SSC requires tensile stress, occurs in H2S service. Cracks initiate at surface, highly dependent on material hardness. Trigger: H2S plus stress hard material. Quick visual recognition summary. Erosion, smooth directional wear. Cavitation, pitted sponge-like surface. SCC, fine branched cracks. HIC, internal blisters and parallel cracks. SSC, brittle surface cracks in sour service. Damage morphology tells the story. Case study: steam turbine rotor blade failure. Location: Wilson zone, phase transition area. Problem: chloride contamination plus cyclic stress. Sequence: pitting starts, microcracks initiate. Cracks propagate under cyclic load. Catastrophic blade fracture occurs. Prevention: steam purity control, resistant materials, protective coatings. Mitigation strategies: material selection, use corrosion-resistant alloys. Environment control, maintain water chemistry, control chlorides and contaminants. Design improvements, reduce stress concentrators, improve flow path. Monitoring, NDT inspections, condition-based maintenance. Prevention is always cheaper than repair. Quick recognition comparison table. Erosion, location, high velocity zones. Trigger: velocity in solids. Cavitation, location, low pressure zones. Trigger: vapor bubble collapse. SCC, location, stressed components. Trigger: stress plus specific corrosive agent. HIC, location, internal plate thickness. Trigger: hydrogen diffusion. SSC, location, stressed components in sour service. Trigger: H2S plus tensile stress plus hardness. Recognition must consider environment, location, morphology. Interview questions and answers. How do you differentiate cavitation and erosion? Cavitation shows pitting near low-pressure zones. Erosion shows smooth directional wear in high-velocity areas. What causes SCC? Tensile stress combined with corrosive environment like chlorides. Difference between HIC and SSC. HIC occurs internally without external stress. SSC requires tensile stress and H2S. Why is hardness control important in sour service? High hardness increases susceptibility to SSC. Most common pump failure mode: cavitation due to improper NPSH. Final golden line corrosion diagnosis must be based on damage morphology, location pattern, and operating environment, not just material grade. Understanding the mechanism prevents recurrence. Superfast memory rule: velocity erosion, low pressure, cavitation stress, plus chloride, SCC hydrogen, HIC H2S plus stress SSC. Remember this for interviews. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more deep technical content on corrosion engineering, rotating equipment, API standards, and reliability in oil and gas systems.